Take a closer look at our latest project, the fully automatic baler designed for distribution centers in Thailand. A medium-sized baler HKLS 135 ton is built for high performance with an impressive capacity to compress up to 10 tons of paper per hour. We have upgraded the hydraulic pump and motor, significantly increasing the baler cycle time. Watch how quickly cylinder and platen move back and forth. The baler interior has been enlarged to accommodate large boxes and support continuous feeding, which is perfect for a high-volume operation. A very impressive bale weight with approximately 650 kg at the length of 1.3 meters, ensuring optimized storage and transportation. Equipped with 3 tension cylinders, this model enhanced bale densities, delivering compact and sturdy results every time. Safety is a priority, with features like safety cover switch ensuring the machine halts if the cover is open. Emergency stop button, providing quick and easy access to shut down the machine in case of emergencies. At Lexon Machinery, we design a cost-effective and durable solutions tailored to your business needs. If you're looking for a reliable baler solutions, reach out to us to learn more.